Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've noticed, I have updated my quality and I hope to maintain this quality. I have decided to pick up my camera again and start using it. I wanted to get into photography as well, but for now I'm just going to stick to at least utilizing it for recipe videos that I've been doing or other videos. Today we'll be making a recipe from this book that my grandma gave me. I'll leave a link in the description for the Amazon code, but I'm just going to make it simple and we're going to do a basic seitan. I've never made seitan before, but it's one of the first ingredients, or the first recipes in here, and it's a main ingredient for a lot of vegan protein. You can make chicken nuggets out of it, you can make turkey, you can make all kinds of different roasts, you can make any kind of meaty texture. Before I get started on this recipe, I just wanted to say that I am actually in the background of a short film that was published recently, and I could not be more excited. I know it sounds so lame, but I've just always wanted to be on camera in some way, shape, or form, and it's not the biggest platform for now, but Jay Schaefer shot and directed a film called Short-Sighted, and it's a look at just mental health in general and stuff, and I made it. I made the background, and I'll post some pictures here, and I'll also link the video in the description, but please check it out. I was so excited that I got to work with this. So we'll begin by adding the following ingredients to a blender. And this will ensure that this process all gets purified, and then we'll add it to the flour afterwards. But for now, we're going to chop the garlic. Chop up 1/2 onion. We're going to measure out the tamari sauce. Next we're going to measure out the apple cider vinegar. And then I measure the baking soda right into the same bowl. The last wet ingredient that we'll need measured is the vegetable stock. I'm using Nature's Promise. Combine all ingredients and blend. Make sure you have the blender attachment in there, or it will not blend anything up. By blender attachment, I mean blade. So there's practically two parts to this recipe, one being the wet ingredients and the other being dry. It's just a flour, salt, pepper, and nutritional yeast combo, and we'll put that into a bowl and then add this, and you'll mix it all together into a dough. Now you'll take the opportunity to knead this a little bit. I like to put a little bit of flour on top. Final step is to boil the seitan. So we're going to use the rest of the onion, which I just have chopped like this, and I'm going to just pull it apart like this. So it'll all just be boiled together. And then we're going to go back to the garlic and add another 1 clove of garlic. We're going to add 2 porcini mushrooms, rest of the vegetable stock, and then 1 bay leaf. Okay, so now that our water is boiling, or whatever you want to call that, the mixture, we can begin by adding the little seitan pieces. Now I'm going to do a couple of these little nugget style, and then I'm going to do a couple of these or not a couple, but 1 big loaf so I can slice it later. We're going to want to boil it for 45 minutes with the lid on it. Okay, our seitan has been boiling for about 45 minutes. I'm going to pull it out, I'm going to strain the broth, and then we'll store it in the broth, and you can pretty much season it from this point however you want. You can put Szechuan sauce, sorry I cannot pronounce that shit, or you can bread it and deep fry it. I want to deep fry it a little bit because I want chicken nuggets, but the bigger slice, or the bigger piece in the back, is going to get sliced for deli slices and stuff like that. Alright, so from this point we have the seitan cubes, and you can cut them up if you want them a little bit smaller. They kind of swelled up a little bit and I forgot about that, but from here you can bread them, you can coat them in some kind of orange marmalade, honey barbecue sauce, anything at this point honestly. I'm going to do a stir fry, so I'm going to get some kind of sauce here in a little bit. I have to run to Giant Eagle and get some more stuff. But like I said, the other loaf is still boiling because it wasn't ready, but I'm going to slice that. And I can maybe make more recipe videos, but that's all I have time for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today.